Bainimarama for his keynote address.
Watambir sa kanum ni ba nosaka? Natela, wasan mun terana rok tikiba. Bentor sak. Yabura.
Kamu nang sana, kamu tolong kalu. Hey, hang do, nang sa boliw. Kamu nang sana le,
the Ambassador of the Republic of Indonesia, His Excellency Mr. Radan Mohammed Benjamin Scott Kanadi, the Minister for Education, Heritage and Arts, Honorable Premier Kumar. Ati ko na turang na tuin dere. Ati ko na turang na tuin ng bulmulawa. Turang na tuin ng Inobo. Turang na Ratu Mindao Sam. Ati ko na turang na Tal. The principal, teachers, parents, guardians, and students of Queen Victoria School, government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Bulubanak, and very good morning to you all. What a joy it is to be here with you at the Queen Victoria School to commission these two fine new hostel facilities. It is a joy, first of all, because we are back on campus again after so many months on online learning. As I said in the vernacular, I understand that the year 12s and 13s returned in November, and everyone else returned in January. So everything is fully back to normal. I think we discovered something important through that experience, as I also said in the Voreqe language, that it was possible to attend class from a distance. But there is nothing like being physically at school with teachers and classmates. And it is especially important at a school like QVS, where there is so much hands-on learning. It is also a joy because Queen Victoria School is celebrating 70th anniversary at its 300-acre campus this year, and its 150th anniversary overall. And finally, it is a joy to celebrate not only the completion of two excellent hostel facilities, but the fact that we are here today, thanks to the assistance of our great friend, the Government of the Republic of Indonesia. The dormitory facilities were damaged beyond repair by Tropical Cyclone Winston in 2016, and the Government of Indonesia adopted this project through the Fijian government's Adopt a School program at a cost of $3.9 million. These two new dormitories are not just places to sleep, they are also designed for students who need spaces to study and relax as well. And as I also said in the Voreqe language, this is just phase one. A two-story building with classrooms, Science labs, a computer lab, and teacher rooms will be constructed this year to replace 2 classroom blocks at the school block area. Mr. Ambassador, thank you. Thank you for being with us today, and many thanks to the Government of Indonesia, government and the people of Indonesia for their timely assistance. These facilities are built to withstand the kinds of winds that Tropical Winston assaulted Fiji with. Ladies and gentlemen, Queen Victoria School occupies an important place in Fiji. The school that began as a place to educate the sons of chiefs is now a school to which students are admitted based on merit. Every student at the school can take pride in knowing that they earned their place. The dormitories are an important part of our merit-based education system because they allow people who need accommodations to stay on the school campus. In a society that values the principles of equality of opportunity, the need for boarding accommodations should never be an obstacle. Ladies and gentlemen, and students and future leaders of Queen Victoria School, it is now my honor to commission these 2 outstanding new dormitory blocks. Thank you, and God bless you all. Nak.
Motivates children. That's why we